2026 Kia Sorento that we've just protected with the best system on the market. The Igla Pin drive system makes it so this vehicle cannot be driven unless you enter a unique code using factory buttons on the steering wheel. Notice I just started it, shifted it, and the vehicle shut down. Our pin code that we've created as a temporary code is the OK button 4 times. 2 chimes. Those 2 chimes just so that we can start and drive the vehicle. It has to be as simple as 1 button 3 times or several buttons totaling a 20. 100% automatic, so if I turn the vehicle off, 3 seconds later, it automatically rearms. Start it, shift it, Igla protects the vehicle. We've also added anti-carjacking to this vehicle. The way anti-carjacking works, if you've already been authorized with the system, meaning I just entered our PIN code again here and started it, and the driver's door opens and then closes, carjacking has just been activated. Nothing's going to beep or notify you that anything has happened, but the carjacking is working in the background. If I take it on a short drive in our parking lot here, I'm going to give you a demonstration of that. What the Igla is doing is going to let us drive 1,000 feet before it's going to prompt us to put the PIN code in. If after 20 seconds we don't put the PIN code in, the vehicle is then going to shut down whenever the vehicle comes to a stop. To keep the occupants safe in the vehicle, the hazard lights are also going to turn on and to notify the immediate area that this vehicle is going to be disabled. That first chime right there was our prompt to put our PIN code in. We're going to ignore that and let the vehicle shut down here. It's going to get progressively faster here. Those hazards just turned on. I'm going to continue driving here. You'll have plenty of opportunity to know that it's time to put your PIN code back in. But if you do, don't worry. You can just come to a stop, enter your PIN code, and you'll be fine. Notice it's getting faster and faster there. I'm going to go ahead and come to a stop here in a second. Vehicle shut down. I'm going to punch in our PIN code again here. I can restart it, put it in gear, and good to go. Now, obviously, the would-be carjacker would have no clue what your PIN code is, and whenever they come to a stop, the vehicle is going to be protecting itself automatically with zero intervention from you. If you have any questions about how we can protect your vehicle with the best system on the market, give us a call or text 972-612-6886.